So I'm going to show you how to use wireless power sharing, also known as reverse wireless charging, on the Galaxy Z TriFold. So all you have to do is swipe down and enable wireless power sharing. Now, if you don't see the option here, then you can add it because it's much easier to do it from here. So you go to edit, and then under edit, you look for the wireless power sharing option. Here it is, tap on it. It gets added to the quick settings panel in the control center, and you're good to go. So every time you swipe down, now you should see wireless power sharing, and that's it. Now that you've turned it on, you can now wirelessly charge other devices that have wireless charging enabled. All right, I'm gonna try this AirPods. There you go. So that's how you do that. That's how you use wireless power sharing. Now you can go to the wireless power sharing settings and customize that further. So the easiest way to do that is to long press on that icon, or you can go straight to the battery settings. So if you go into settings and then go to battery, tap on that, and then under battery you go to wireless power sharing. You should see the option to turn that on or off from here, and then also you can choose limits. Okay, so for instance, you can choose the battery limit below which you will not be able to charge other devices. So you can set that limit to maybe higher, maybe about 45% or even 50%, so that anytime you're 50% and below on your own Galaxy Z TriFold, then you'll not be able to charge other devices. So that helps you not run out as you try to charge other people's devices. Thanks for watching and good luck.